for ant. B for balloon. C for cup. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for girl. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for octopus. P for penguin. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sparrow. T for turtle. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel.